Have you ever heard of an animal that can survive the vacuum of space, temperatures hotter than boiling water, and colder than deep space? An animal that can come back to life after being completely dried out for decades? It sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, but this creature is very real, and it lives right here on Earth. Meet the tardigrade, also known as the water bear or moss piglet. These are tiny, bear-shaped micro-creatures that walk like slow-motion astronauts on 8 stubby little legs. They are, without a doubt, the most indestructible animals known to science, and today, we are going to dive deep into their incredible world. When you look at a tardigrade under a microscope, you can't help but be charmed. They have this adorable, clumsy waddle, lifting their legs in a slow, deliberate way, like tiny plush robots exploring a new world. Their bodies are covered in a translucent, jelly-like skin that glows softly, and their soft, gelatinous form ripples as they crawl, creating the illusion of squishy armor that moves like liquid. Under high magnification, the folds of its body resemble an armored suit molded from soft gel. It's like looking at a cartoon bear from another dimension, with a strangely adorable face. But don't let their cute appearance fool you. Tardigrades are the ultimate survivors. When faced with extreme conditions, a tardigrade can enter a state of suspended animation called cryptobiosis. It curls into a crystal-like ball called a ton, looking like a frozen alien seed. In this state, it becomes a tiny husk, resembling an ancient fossil smaller than a single grain of dust. It looks like a magical sleeping relic, just waiting to awaken. And awaken it does. Just add a drop of water, and the creature inflates softly like a miniature balloon creature returning to life. When rehydrated, they return to life with a gentle stretch, like awakening miniature time travelers. Let's talk about the extremes these tiny titans can handle. They can survive temperatures as low as -272 degrees Celsius, just 1 degree above absolute zero. At that temperature, they look like glittering ice beings suspended in time. On the other end of the spectrum, they can endure scorching heat over 150 degrees Celsius, as if calmly resting inside a blazing inferno. They can also withstand pressures that would crush steel, remaining completely calm in environments that seem impossible for life. Perhaps most famously, a tardigrade can survive the vacuum of outer space. In 2007, scientists sent tardigrades into low Earth orbit. When they returned, many of them were still alive, having endured the harsh radiation and vacuum. They just floated out there like miniature cosmic explorers, tiny travelers wrapped in starlight. This incredible resilience is partly due to a special DNA-protecting protein they possess. It acts like a living biological shield, forged for ultimate survival, protecting their genetic code from being shattered by radiation. It gives them the aura of being the ultimate survivors, capable of outlasting any imaginable apocalypse. Tardigrades have been discovered on the highest mountaintops, on the deepest ocean floors, in scorching deserts, and frozen in polar ice. They are tiny adventurers, conquering every corner of our world. Their natural habitat, however, is much closer to home than you might think. They love moss and lichen. To them, a droplet of water is a vast, shimmering ocean, and a patch of moss is a lush green jungle. They move through these droplets of water like giant beasts wandering through shimmering underwater forests. Their tiny claws, which resemble microscopic grappling hooks, grip the moss as they explore their world. A tardigrade wandering through this moss looks like a titanic explorer in a vast green universe, leaving behind nearly invisible marks, like secret signatures on microscopic landscapes. Let's zoom in even closer. A tardigrade's mouth is a fascinating piece of biological engineering. It's a circular opening that looks like a miniature drill, which they use to pierce plant cells and suck out the nutrients. It gives them the appearance of a cute yet sci-fi monster. Imagine one of these tiny creatures bending down to drink from a microscopic droplet. It looks like a giant sipping from a sparkling lake. Some tardigrades even have faintly glowing internal organs, making them appear like living lanterns as they navigate their world. The visual wonder of tardigrades doesn't stop there. Under UV light, they can glow in vibrant neon colors, looking like tiny creatures at a microscopic rave. Some species naturally shine in beautiful golden or amber tones, as if they were dipped in liquid sunlight. Others look metallic and chrome-like, glowing like microscopic robots forged from polished steel. Their movements are always slow and deliberate, giving them the aura of gentle underwater guardians, peacefully patrolling their tiny kingdom. Even their eggs are otherworldly. Some have odd spikes or intricate bumps, resembling alien pods just waiting to hatch. Seeing a tardigrade swimming inside a single droplet is like watching a giant drifting through its own crystal-clear planet. The more we learn about tardigrades, the more questions we have. How did they evolve such incredible survival mechanisms? Could their DNA-protecting proteins have applications in human medicine, perhaps to protect our own cells from damage? Scientists are studying these questions right now, hoping to unlock the secrets of the water bear. Their existence challenges our understanding of the limits of life and shows us just how tenacious and adaptable nature can be. They are a testament to the fact that even the smallest creatures can possess the most extraordinary strengths. They are the slow-motion astronauts of the microscopic world, the tiny time travelers who can cheat death, and the cosmic explorers living in a puddle in your backyard. They are living proof that heroes come in all sizes, even sizes smaller than a millimeter. The tardigrade is a beautiful, bizarre, and almost unbelievable creature that reminds us that the universe is full of wonder, often hidden in the most unexpected places. So next time you see a patch of moss, remember the tiny, indestructible bears living within it, ready for their next great adventure, whether it's a journey across a leaf or a trip to outer space. They are the ultimate survivors, the tiny titans of our planet. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the world of the incredible tardigrade. If you found these little water bears as fascinating as I do, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of the natural world. Let me know in the comments what amazing creature you'd like to see covered next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.